dear and lovely students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the English class. This class is for Standard 1st, Semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you enjoying this English class? You are enjoying na? Very good. Hello dear students. Let's know new words. Are you ready to know new words? Let's start. Before starting the class, let's understand the meaning of our topic. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है लेट्स नो न्यू वर्ड्स. चलो नए वर्ड्स जाने. नो मीन्स जाने. तो चलिए न्यू वर्ड्स सीखते हैं. Which letter is this? L. L. L की साउंड कैसी रहेंगी? ल. 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 Ladder. This is ladder. L. Ladder. Lo. Lock. L. Lock. L. Leaf. L. Leaf. L. Lemon. L. Lemon. Understood? Very good. This letter is H. H. What is the phonic sound of H? H. 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 Hat. H. Hat. H. Horse. H. Horse. H. Hen. H. Hen. H. Hut. H. Hut. Understood? Very good. See the next letter. R. 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 Rose. R. Rose. R. Rocket. R. Rocket. R. Ribbon. R. Ribbon. R. Rabbit. R. Rabbit. Understood? Very good. See the next letter. S. S. S की फोनिक साउंड क्या है? स. 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 Sun. स. Sun. स. Sickle. स. Sickle. स. Saucer. स. Saucer. स. Sack. स. Sack. Understood? Very good. So dear students, now we have to trace the given dots. Let's trace. L. 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 H. 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 R. 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 S. 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 Understood? Very good. So dear students, listen and find the correct picture. आपको क्या करना है? करेक्ट पिक्चर फाइंड आउट करना है. लीला हैज़ अ लेमन एंड अ लीफ. लीला हैज़ अ लेमन एंड अ लीफ. Where is Leela? What she has? She has a lemon and leaf. Hemant has a hen and a hat. Hemant has a hen and a hat. Who is Heman? What he has? He has hand and hat. This is Hemant. Rashid has a ribbon and a rose. Rashid has a ribbon and a rose. Where is Rashid? What he has? He has ribbon and rose. This is Rashid. Next है Sonabai has a sack and a sickle. Sonabai has a sack and a sickle. Where is Sonabai? This is Sonabai. She is here. What she has? She has a sack. This is sack and this is sickle. Understood? Very good. So dear students, we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.